In this video, I am going to show you how you can download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft website. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open a browser. I'm going to open Safari browser, but it's fine if you are using other browser also. Then start typing google.com. Once we are in the google.com, then start typing Windows 11 ISO download. Just type it here and then hit return key or enter key of your keyboard. Then you will find like this. So here the top link is the Windows 11 download link. From here you can download the ISO file. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will be in this page. To download the ISO file, we have to scroll down till you find the ISO file section. Here you will find download Windows 11 disk image ISO, this thing, and there is couple of options are there like radio button. We need to complete. At first we need to select the download. We are going to download the Windows 11 ISO file, so we need to select this one from this drop down, and then we have to press the confirm button, and then it will validate the request, and very shortly it will ask which language we want to download this ISO file. Definitely I'm going to choose English language, but if you want some other language you can also choose. Then after that you have to click the confirm button to validate the request, and very shortly once it is completed, it will give us the next option. We have to wait till it comes. Now here we'll see the download Windows 11 English, and there is a button 64-bit download. So this is the button to download the ISO file of Windows 11. To click to download this thing, we just need to click here, and very shortly you will see that it is started downloading. And if you click here, it will show that it is going to download like this way. The size of this ISO file is almost 6 GB. We are seeing 5.82, that means almost 6 GB, and it will take some time. Based on your internet speed, it will be finished. For my case basically it is taking 2 minutes, and once the download is successful, then you will see that this is the ISO file and you can access that from your downloads folder. I'm going to show you the downloads folder from here. So this was the ISO file basically few minutes before I downloaded, before creating this video, and once this download is finished you will find like this. So that's it. In this way we can easily get the official licensed version of Windows 11 from Microsoft's website.